What's going on, boaters? We just got in this 2026 Barletta Aria 22QC. This is going to be the perfect pontoon for you and your family this summer. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the front, you have your doggy view door. So when you have your pets on board, they can see the water and enjoy it just as much as you are. You're going to have a lot of in-seat storage, easy access. You have your cup holders in the couch. Along with this being a dog-friendly boat, you have your doggy dishes in here so they can have water all day long. You have your captain and co-captain's chair. You're going to have a nice big ski locker since this is a triple-toon. You also have your stowable table, your black canvas boat cover. You have your two couches here in the back. And then your battery switch is going to be in this back couch. Super easy to get at. This boat is powered by a Mercury 150, so the perfect little cruiser. You also have your flag in the back here and your power bimini as well, so you can get it up and down easily. And when you're going under the bridges, all you have to do is push of a button, you can get it back down. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax in Crosslake or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com. Let's make this the best summer.